Today we have the 2021 Vauxhall Mokka. This vehicle has done just over 67,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, photos, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.